because of two reasons. They have the most incredible organic shop, which even encourages zero waste. They have a lot of amazing things. I want everyone to adopt this as a lifestyle. The most expensive bed in the world is a hospital bed, as we know. So it's a question of pay now or pay later. I think let's all focus on becoming healthier, taking out toxins from every part of our life, whether it's our food, our cleaning products, everything. And they have been a big help in this. I cannot even tell you, because one day there was a cow which was injured, and not only did they send me, they came running out to help. So these are the kind of people we all should be supporting. Yes, and when organic becomes mainstream, when a lot of people start buying, even the prices come down. And I think this is the movement. We all have to start growing our own food and adopting healthier lifestyles. It's not just a pill which can boost your immunity, but actually how you live is super important. So now the two angels here.
No, it's really very, very sweet of doctor to say that, because she herself is actually a bigger angel who encourages people like us and who keeps us going. And throughout the way, it's just such a big support, and she's always smiling and just always encouraging us and telling us, you guys are doing the right thing, go ahead. And yeah, it's just very, very kind of her.
I think she's been Software's biggest brand ambassador.
Yeah.
Anywhere she goes, she talks about Software, and we know that. And thanks for so much of love.
And we have no commercial, this is
Yeah,
not a
it's
paid
not
promotion.
even a paid
Definitely.
She's come all the way to shoot it,
Yeah.
even though there's a lockdown which is imposed, but she's just so kind.
But what inspired someone as young as you to be so aware as to what the world needs
So
right
what
now?
happened first is that I didn't
Someone told you they were releasing the coronavirus,
So what happened first is I didn't know much about these products, and I was studying. I finished my bachelor's degree, and then she came down from London, and she knew about the products. She always shopped these. She bought these products online, and whenever we went to Bombay or whenever she studied in London, she always She was hooked on to these products. So when she was back, she was searching for a job, and she had like 400 emails on her ID, and just looking out for a job. And it was 2 months, and then finally she was fed up. So, and even my results were out, bachelor's degree. So we thought of getting something
Which we would like.
organic, natural.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
I think these products are not available in Goa,
Yeah.
Not accessible.
not accessible.
It was the right time also to have something like this, because the awareness has increased. People anyways buy these things online. And again, my passion for this, and he was ready to support it and give it more than him. I think my parents who understood that, okay, let's give her a chance and let's see how it goes. So
Oh my God, each and every patient of mine, and I from morning, the copper tongue cleaner is difficult to find, but you
Yeah.
have the best quality.
yeah.
Every single thing from the virgin coconut oil to the bamboo tissues. Can you tell us something about the bamboo?
Yeah, so
Tissues?
we have different things by this brand, Be Eco. For example, this is their kitchen roll, which unlike the others can be reused and washed up to 100 times. So it comes in a big, it comes in a roll like this, and you can just
Machine wash it or hand
machine
wash
wash it, hand wash it, and again it's made of bamboo, which turns out to be more eco-friendly compared to the normal ones that we get. And yeah, so they do these other products as well, like the toilet rolls or the facial tissues.
And toilet rolls is something which people were killing each other
Yeah.
in New York.
Before lockdown.
Yeah.
So either use bamboo, otherwise people have to learn to wash and use soft cloths like this, because
Yeah.
it's not sustainable.
It's
Bamboo
not-
grows quickly, so
Yeah.
it's okay, but
Otherwise,
cutting
it's
trees for the sake of toilet paper makes no sense to me.
Yeah. So yeah, over time we tried and improvised, because we saw that we're doing too much of plastic. So now we want to go zero waste and switch to things where people carry their own containers and can refill at least the pulses and the flowers for now.
Even
And
the household products,
even the
I buy
household
a
products.
dishwash,
Yeah.
the floor wash,
Yeah.
and the clothes wash. All of that is
Everything.
fantastic.
All of it.
And again, all of it is made of soap nut or decaf. So it's again
And you
very
can get your own bottles, and
yeah.
even if you take bottles from us, you can give it back to us, so that we
Great, great.
Yeah.
So you're not putting all that in the earth. And how about my favorite? This is my favorite incense in the whole world.
Yeah,
It's made out of
waste
flower
temple
waste.
flowers. Waste temple flowers. So this is a Kanpur-based company, which also actually made the world's first biodegradable thermocol made of flower waste again. So and they only have women working for them,
Self-help groups.
which is again a very
Again, they're
big
giving
thing.
it back to the society and back to the nature.
So
Yeah.
rather than dumping it into the rivers and
River.
polluting them,
Yes.
and it's magical. One of this incense, oh my god, in the morning in Ayurveda, as a doctor, I advise waking up. I call it awaken all your five senses. So I
And
awaken
secondly, it's
to
not
your
as strong as
incense.
a normal agarbatti because it doesn't have charcoal.
Yeah.
Very
Exactly.
light.
Without the
Yeah.
charcoal, it's very light
And non
and
cancer, that's what I think. Right?
exactly. It's not just healthy for you, but even the mood. It's absolutely
It's a
magical.
nice thing to gift someone as well.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. This is the only thing. I know people who went to London with a suitcase full of things from you, and this was one of the.
And I think the
main-
price also is
It's very
140 or
reasonable.
160.
It's absolutely
For the packing
reasonable.
and for the transportation from Kanpur to Goa, I think very reasonable.
Absolutely. Yeah.
It's packed also very well. So
Very
that
well. You get a wooden stand and a good packing.
Nargis, in this,
Yeah.
Nargis and, Pacholi are my personal
Yeah.
And
favorites.
Indian rose also.
Really, I love waking up to each and every one of these. And even the vetiver is outstanding. It's the best vetiver I have ever used.
You can use the citronella as a mosquito repellent.
Mosquito
yeah,
repellent.
many people do that. They do buy that.
Because it's time to keep our lungs healthy, so using toxic agarbattis is really not okay.
Yeah.
People are not even aware there's carbon in those agarbattis, so I think today it's a great day to let people know.
Yes.
And how about the snacks? You have all the seeds
All
with
the
you?
seeds, yes.
You have melon seeds and
Flax
And
seeds.
pumpkin, all of them.
shall we just go there?
Yes.
So maybe the copper here also? Oh no, we do the seeds and then.
Fine idea.
So about your seeds?
Yeah. So now, as the awareness is growing, I think COVID in ways has helped us also because people have realized what they need to switch on to instead of snacking on things that are deep fried and stuff. They prefer to snack on to roasted seeds or use their raw seeds in their breakfast or something. So yes, our seeds are also doing really well. We also have some seed mixes for people who want to snack on.
I love the pumpkin seeds and your sunflower seeds as well as these, this ginger hazelnut
Yeah.
mix. All these mixes are really fantastic as well because it's such a healthy snack to have and it's actually improving immunity instead of putting all the junk food in your body.
I think this is your favorite.
This, I'm telling you, is the best hand wash. It's
Yeah.
made by a small NGO. It has coconut, lavender, oil and vitamin E and lye and it's fantastic. It seems, I work by intuition as well. It's not just coconut oil as such destroys the virus, but this is really,
And I think the price also of wine ideas is
the price
an
is
NGO.
so reasonable. They,
full of
again,
profits.
just like the incense, even this, that's what I like about you is you have sourced amazing products at reasonable prices coming from the best human beings in the world.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No, but our aim is always been to be affordable. Yes, there are some things which can't, they can't be made available at what they are available otherwise. But that's because the purity is there. So
Purity, certification.
Exactly, like the ghee and all this,
The
of
ghee,
course, that's
yeah.
what you're paying for.
The wastage also is more.
And then, can you see the copper? I love all your earthenware and copper that you have.
yeah.
Copper is one of the minerals we're supposed to supplement during the COVID. It actually helps with the immunity. So at Saukyam, they have the finest range of copper products I've seen. Very elegant. You can see the beaten copper. If you'd like to show it closer. Yeah. So it's really fantastic to have access to so many things. Even
Again, these people do support artisans who are marginalized and who are poor. So they give them new age designs and then improve their livelihood.
And
So
they work on
again,
very low profit margins.
They
Just to
are
sustain their office
just
and
to
run the
sustain.
business,
Fantastic.
nothing else.
Yes, that's they
Fantastic.
really help the community.
No, I love what I'm seeing. Really, it's super special. And I love your cleaning products. Can we quickly see your cleaning products here? So this is your floor cleaner.
Yeah, all of this again is made with a soapnut base. You could carry a bottle, or we could,
We could give you the
a
used
spare
kefir or
bottle.
kombucha bottles. You can refill them and
So
give
that
it back
we
to us.
try and eliminate plastic as much as possible, because again this is something that we all need regularly and it's a must have. So it's better that we start eliminating plastic slowly by things which are easier for us for the moment. So this is one popular thing that we have here at Softcam, a refill station.
Because people are wasting, the amount of toxins with bleach and everything they clean the toilet, that's the biggest
Yes.
cause of cancer.
Yeah.
Because toxins come from the air we breathe, from the food we eat. So you're giving us organic food,
Yes.
vegetables,
And
household cleaning products, as well as personal products.
Personal.
Diseases come when we use, aluminium and other. So this is a natural deodorant, and this can really keep you healthy, because I have seen so many people get breast cancers only from using the chemical, deodorants.
Yeah.
So
This
This is
again,
fantastic.
It's good. It's like nice towards the earth also, because it doesn't
Yeah,
have any
really,
plastic.
there's no plastic.
Yeah.
And this is the proper tongue cleaner, which is a must to clean the tongue in the morning and get rid of the toxins. Very hard to find elsewhere, but easy to find at Southam, which means wellness. They even have, this is also,
Kapoor.
the kapoor,
Yeah.
what you have is also amazing. I would love to. This also changes the entire energy of the house. It clears all the negativity. I have a patient whose name I can't reveal, but he's an angel and he couldn't sleep. But just with this kapoor, imagine no pill, nothing, just only kapoor, he's sleeping well for the first time in his life. So I'm happy to, really take all this kapoor and share it with everyone. And now that you can't go to a spa or a beauty treatment at the salon, this one is outstanding of Ilana. It has mango and argan oil. So this is what I use for my hair. I don't use anything with chemicals in it, and it's better than having any kind of a spa treatment. You apply this overnight and wash your hand. Oh my God, it's fantastic. As well as the toner, the rose camellia. In the hottest of summers, it's like I travel everywhere and I surprise people. We were,
Even our lipsticks, they're chemical free.
Oh yes,
so this awakens all the senses and people love it because I'm sharing something so beautiful. They remember.
Oh.
I remember a lady in a washroom once. I had this, the rose from Vrindavan given by my spiritual teacher.
Okay.
So he told me it's God in a bottle and gave it to me. So I was a speaker at this function. I go there and, I was applying it on myself, and this woman was visually impaired. She had no vision. She smelled it and she said, "What is this divine smell?"
Oh.
And then I told her the story. I said, "This is God in a bottle. Would you like some?" And I put it on her. She started crying. She said, "I was searching for God and searching for love, and I found both in the washroom." Can you believe it? Of all the places. So really, your products have helped. So much happiness they bring. And lipsticks, commonest cause again of lead, and some of the most poisonous, toxic substances are in eye makeup and lipsticks. So every lady wants to wear all these things, but they have incredible things which use flower petals and natural colors.
Yes.
That is actually healthy for your eyelashes. It's healthy for,
And they're as effective as the normal lipsticks made in the
I can't
with the
take
chemicals.
my mask down, but that's what I'm using right now. So I'm a believer. Absolutely.
Yes.
And even the alfalfa seeds you have.
Yes.
Do you know what it does? It actually takes your mind into the alpha state of meditation.
Wow.
So
Amazing.
just eating those alfalfa sprouts, it completely takes you into a meditative state and calms your mind down.
Amazing.
So there are loads of things. We will do more fun things because Actually, my favorite things are in the other half. I'm a big eater
Yeah.
rather than this. I mean, you know, I run there for your food all the time.
Yeah.
So let's do one another time when
Yeah,
we have
sure.
more.
Thank you so much.
And soon, I'm sure we will all be without the COVID and with all the masks and
Yeah.
everything. And, you know, so everyone really, please stay home, be safe, be healthy, don't be afraid. You know, we have angels like this who are here to support and, you know, build your wellness and immunity. So let's all support each other and take our lives and health to pinnacles which we never thought were possible before. Together we should all rise stronger.
Thank you.
Thank
you
you.
so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Thank you.